There are 3 essential pieces of equipment when doing a via ferrata. In this video, I'm going to talk about what those things are. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Michelle Onofre with International Mountain Connection. This video is part of our Via Ferrata series. So if you would like to watch other videos in this series, you can find links in the description box below and a link to the transcript. The first piece of equipment that is essential is a helmet. Some people do not like to wear helmets. They say that they're not fashionable, or they're uncomfortable, or they say that they just don't need one. However, wearing a helmet is not to make a fashion statement. It's to keep your head safe. One reason to wear a helmet is in case you fall. If you fall, you have equipment that will keep you from touching the ground, but you need something that's going to protect your head if you hit the cliff. The second reason that you should wear a helmet is because there can be people who are walking up above the Via Ferrata route and they could loosen some rocks that fall down on you. And I can tell you that that has happened to me, and luckily I had a helmet on to protect my head. Unfortunately, they still hit my hand, and I can tell you that hurts. Another reason you should wear a helmet is because you might hit your head on the cliff. Now, you may be asking yourself, how is this even possible? Well, sometimes you're really concentrated on your hands or on your feet, and so you're looking down and you're not paying attention to this area above your head. And sometimes there is a bulge in the rock, or maybe it's even overhanging, and all of a sudden you stand up and you hit your head on the rock. And I can tell you that this does happen, and you will be very thankful that you are wearing a helmet and you didn't actually hit your head on the rock. The second piece of equipment that you need is a harness. And if you're renting, they should ask you what is your height, what is your weight, to make sure that they give you the right size. If one of the people that is renting is a child, then you need to make sure and let them know about that as well, because they have special harnesses for children. The last piece of essential equipment is the Via Ferrata set. With a Via Ferrata set, you have a loop which is attached to your harness. Then you have 2 lanyards and carabiners on each end. These are not regular carabiners, they are auto-locking carabiners. To open the carabiner, you have to press down on this cylinder with your thumb. Otherwise, it stays closed and locked. The Via Ferrata set is essential because it securely attaches you to the cable that is attached to the mountain. Another piece of the Via Ferrata set is the energy absorber. This is important because if you fall, it's going to absorb that extra energy so you don't actually hurt yourself. There you have it, the 3 essential pieces of equipment for a Via Ferrata: your helmet, your harness, and your Via Ferrata set. If you would like to be notified when the next video comes out, all you have to do is click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, Brian isn't in the kitchen, he's in the mountains. See you soon. Bye.